In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Invideo AI. We'll walk through the entire process together, step by step, so you know exactly what to expect and you can get to your dashboard without any confusion. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar at the top, type in AI Invideo login, then press enter. This will take you directly to the Invideo AI login page. Once the page loads, you'll see a few different options for signing in. Typically, you'll have the choice to log in with your email address, with Google, or with Apple. You should always use the same login method you originally used when you signed up for your Invideo AI account. That way, you'll be taken to the correct workspace and won't accidentally create a new account. In this example, I'm going to use the Google option. On the screen, click on Continue with Google. As soon as you do that, a pop-up window should appear. If you don't see it, check if your browser is blocking pop-ups and allow them for this site. In the pop-up, you'll either see a list of Google accounts that are already signed in on your device, or you'll see a prompt to enter your Google email and password. If you see your account listed, simply click the one you used when you registered for Invideo AI. If it's not listed, choose the option to use another account, and then type in your Google email address and password carefully. After you select or sign in to the correct Google account, the pop-up will close automatically. Now, just wait a moment while the main browser window reloads. During this time, Invideo AI is verifying your login details and connecting you to your workspace. Once the page finishes loading, you'll be taken straight to your Invideo AI dashboard. This is your main control center, where you can create new projects, access previous work, and explore all the tools available to you. If at any point you end up on an unexpected page, or it asks you to sign up instead of logging in, double check that you selected the same login method you originally used, and that you're on the correct Google or Apple account. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully logged into Invideo AI and you're ready to start creating.